Hi, how are you doing today? For today, we'll be doing a customized mug coaster like this, but before that, let's roll the intro. First, let's open Fusion 360. Then we need to create a circle. This circle will be 100mm in diameter. Then we need to extrude this by 4mm. Then after that, we need to convert an image file to SVG file. For this, I have saved my logo into PNG file for me to convert in conversia.co. The link of this online converter is posted in the description below, so we need to go to conversia.co. Then we need to search our PNG file and click convert. After that, we just need to wait. Once completed, just click download. And put your file in the location you can easily locate. Then we need to go back to Fusion 360 and export our SVG file. All we need to do is to click the insert, then select Insert SVG file, and a pop-up window will appear. Click the folder button, then locate your PNG file. After that, the sketch will appear, and if it does not fit to the 3D model, you need to scale it. My sketch here appears mirror, so I need to rotate and scale. And for the icons you see here, the square button is to move, the outer circles to rotate. The two icons opposite the arrows are for you to mirror. And the icon in between the arrows, which is on top of the square, is for scaling. Once you're satisfied in the position of your sketch, press enter. This will embed the sketch to the 3D model. Then you can already click on the surfaces individually. So the next thing we need to do is to choose the face we need to extrude. So I carefully click on the faces I want to extrude here, as Fusion 360 is quite tricky. And you need to zoom in for you to correctly choose the faces and not the edges. Once done selecting, we will positively extrude the surfaces by 2mm. After that, we will chamfer the edges for both top and bottom outer edges by 1mm. That's it, the model is done. All we are left to do here is to save or export this file to an STL file and open this in CURA in preparation for 3D printing. So we need to locate the STL file we just created to open CURA. Once it is open, I have made some tweaks in CURA before slicing the file for printing. But you can also use the recommended settings or the express settings in CURA. Then save it in microSD card and put it in a 3D printer. From here, all we need to do is to wait for the final product. So let's roll the time lapse. So here's the finished product. So far I'm impressed with the outcome, and I will use this every day for my coffee. And if you want a copy of this STL file, I have uploaded this in Thingiverse, and you can click on the link below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. And of course, if you have questions or you need any help, or if you have any suggestions or comments, don't be shy to ask in the comment section below. See you guys next week. As always, keep creating. Cheers!